Hello students, this is our second lecture of topic haloalkanes and haloarenes. First of all, let's revise what we have learned in our previous classes and the general introduction and their classification. So first of all, what is haloalkane? You know that the replacement of hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon aliphatic or aromatic by halogen atom results in the formation of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Means here you can replace one hydrogen with halogen, then it is known as haloalkanes. X is equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Hydrocarbon aliphatic or aromatic. Okay, what is aromatic or aliphatic? You know in your previous classes what is the meaning of aliphatic and aromatic. In haloalkane contain sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an atom, an alkyl group, whereas haloarenes contain halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aryl group. Example: CH3 CH2 CH2. Here see this carbon. The hybridization of this carbon is sp3, so it is haloalkane. And see this is aromatic, or we can say that here hybridization of carbon is sp2, so it is haloarenes. Okay, now next let's discuss about classification on the basis of number of halogen atom. Means how many halogen atom have haloalkanes. Suppose here mono haloalkane. Mono means one. If halogen contain one halogen atom, then it is known as mono haloalkanes. Di means two. If haloalkanes contain two halogen atom, here is one halogen atom and here is one halogen atom, then we can say that it is dihaloalkanes. Okay, here one halogen, two halogen and three halogen, so it is known as trihaloalkanes. Now next classification is that compound containing sp3 halogen bond, sp3 carbon halogen bond. X is equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. A is equal to first category in these compounds, alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Here you can see that general formula is that CnH2n plus 1. Okay, CnH2n1 plus is general formula. Here it is primary because this carbon is attached with one carbon only, so it is primary or 1 degree haloalkanes. Here see this halogen and this halogen attached with this carbon. Okay, and this carbon is attached with two carbon atom, one is here and one is here, so it is secondary, means 2 degree. Okay, 2 degree secondary. And let's look tertiary, or we can say 3 degree carbon. See this halogen and this carbon. This halogen attached with this carbon and this carbon is attached with 3 more carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms, so it is 3 degree carbon. Now let's look allylic halides. What is allylic? See this halogen, this carbon is hybridization is sp3 and this carbon hybridization is sp2. When halogen attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, मतलब ये जो हेलोजन है ये sp3 से अटैच्ड है और इसके जस्ट बाद में sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम होगा तो उसको हम बोलते हैं एलाइलिक हैलाइड. एंड दिस कार्बन दिस पोजीशन इज नोन एज एलाइलिक हैलाइड. सी दिस sp2 here the hybridization of carbon is sp2 and इसके बाद में आफ्टर नेक्स्ट दिस कार्बन इज sp3 hybridized, so it is allylic halide. Now let's talk about benzylic halides. What is benzylic halide? Benzylic means halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. Means see this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and next to this it is aromatic ring. मतलब अगर sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम से हेलोजन अटैच है एंड इसके जस्ट बाद में एरोमेटिक रिंग है, देन वी कैन से दैट इट इज़ बेंजाइलिक हेलाइड्स. हियर यू कैन सी दैट अनदर एग्जांपल R डैश एंड R, इट इज़ ऑल्सो बेंजाइलिक. इफ R डैश, अगर हम यहाँ R डैश की जगह पर हाइड्रोजन CH3 रख दें और एक हाइड्रोजन होगा तो इट इज़ 2 डिग्रीज. सी दिस ना, this halogen attached with this carbon and here is one carbon and here is one carbon, means 2 carbon attached, so its degree is 2. And see this carbon, here is halogen and it is carbon, it is one carbon here and one carbon, 3 carbon is attached with this carbon, so its degree is 3 degree hydrocarbon. Now compounds containing sp2 carbon and then halogen, मतलब halogen attached with sp2 hybridized carbon. See this halogen is attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See na, this halogen is attached with sp2 hybridized sp2, so it is vinylic halides. When halogen attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom, then we can say it is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. See another example, this halogen attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now let's discuss what is aryl halides. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring, sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. See this example. This halogen attached with aromatic ring, this halogen directly attached with aromatic ring, so it is aryl halides. See this halogen is also attached with this aromatic rings. Now I would like to request you, all of you, please, if you don't have books, then first of all purchase your NCERT books, and so it is easy for you to understand all of the lecture, and please note down all the important things whatever we are learning in these periods, and make your notes also. So this is your NCERT books, you can see this is your NCERT books. Okay, you can see this, purchase it, part second. Now after that we discussed about nomenclature. You already know in your previous 11th class chemistry what is nomenclature. There are 2 types of system available for nomenclature, one which is common name and second is IUPAC name. This common name is N-propyl bromide, 1-bromopropane. We already discussed all about this in our previous lecture. Now I will give you, let's look this one more time. See this example. Here in this example, 2 halogen directly attached with one carbon. If two halogen attached directly with one carbon atom, then its common name is ethylidene chloride. Please remember this example, and this is the very common example, JAM. Here see this JAM dichloride. If 2 halogen atom attached with one carbon atom, then it is known as JAM dihalide. See another example. Here is also 2 halogen atom, one halogen atom is here and one halogen atom is here, but these two halogen attached with different carbon atom and both are neighbors, adjacent position, in say we can say that in adjacent position. Okay, so it is known as ethylene dichlorides, or most commonly words we can use it vis dihalide. It is the very most common example. Now see this table. This table is very important. Some common haloalkanes are listed in this table. So one by one we can discuss. Suppose here CH3, CH2, CH, then chlorine. This chlorine attached with this carbon. See this chlorine. This chlorine attached with this carbon, and it is sec butyl chloride. Its common name is sec butyl chloride because its degree is 2 degree. And IUPAC name, you already know that IUPAC name. You have to number on this carbon atom: CH3, CH2, CH, and this chlorine is attached with this carbon and CH3. Okay, you have to number start from this carbon: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so chlorine, this chlorine is attached with 2 positions. So first we indicate the position: 2 chloro, and what is the chain length of this? 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. So it is butane. So you can practice it. Now next, neopentyl bromide. See this here CH3 and then 3. So 3 CH3 group attached with this carbon. See this C, then CH3, CH3, then CH3, and then this CH2 and then bromine. Okay, you can write this. So it is known as neo. Its common name is neo. Neo, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is neo, and then pentyl, and after that bromide. And if you want to give IUPAC name, then you have to number, suppose 1, 2 and 3. So 1 position bromine and 2 position 2 methyl group. So 1 bromo, 2 methyl, 1 bromo, 2 dimethyl propane. So see this, you can write, इसको कैसे लिखना है? C, here CH3 and then 3. So 3 CH3 group attached with this carbon: CH3, then CH3, then bromine. So its common name is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary for because this carbon, the degree of this carbon is 3 degree carbon. So we in short we can write tert. So it is tert butyl bromide, and IUPAC name you have to number. So number 1, 2 and 3. So 2 position bromine, so 2 bromo, 2 methyl, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane, 1, 2 and 3. See this vinyl chloride. We already discussed about this vinyl when chlorine attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So it is vinyl chloride, or we can say that chloroethene. See this allyl bromide. We already discussed about this carbon sp3 carbon atom and next to sp2 carbon atom. So this is allyl bromide, and numbering 3 bromopropene. Orthochlorotoluene. What is toluene? Toluene means, what is toluene? Toluene means, टॉलुइन क्या होता है? CH3 एंड देन बेंजीन रिंग, इसको हम टॉलुइन बोलते हैं. CH3 एंड देन बेंजीन रिंग, दिस इज नोन एज टॉलुइन. एंड हियर chlorine is also attached with this, so So 1 and 2 position, if you numbered on this 1 and 2 position, so 1 and 2 position known as ortho position. So it is orthochlorotoluene or IUPAC name 1, 2. So here 1 position chlorine, 1 chloro, 2 position methyl, 1 chloro, 2 methyl, and it is known as benzene ring. 1 chloro, 2 methyl benzene. This is benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride, sp3 carbon atom, and then benzene ring. So it is known as benzyl chloride, and its IUPAC name is chlorophenylmethane. Chlorophenylmethane. We can number here 1 position chloro and 1 position fluorine. If benzene ring is used as a substituent, then we known as phenyl. if अगर हम बेंजीन रिंग को सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की तरह यूज़ करेंगे तो हम इसको फेनिल बोलेंगे. सो 1 पोजीशन क्लोरो, 1 पोजीशन फेनिल एंड देन मीथेन. सी दिस एग्जांपल CH2Cl2, मेथिलीन क्लोराइड और डाइक्लोरोमीथेन, CHCl3 क्लोरोफॉर्म. इट इज़ मोस्टली दिस एग्जांपल इज see this example. These all example are mainly known by their common names. Suppose CHCl3 chloroform, CHBr3 bromoform, CCl3 carbon tetrachloride, N-propyl fluoride, and so on. So you have to remember this common name. It is almost used. Okay. Now next look about nature of carbon halogen bond. What is the nature of carbon halogen bond? You know that carbon electron negativity, you know that na, electron negativity. Here carbon is less electron negative or halogen more electron negative. So more electron negative atom acquire partial negative charge. Here it is the symbol of partial. So more electron negative atom acquire partial negative charge and less electron negative atom acquire positive charge. So here positive negative charge, so here is generation of polarity. So it is a polar molecule. So alkyl halides are polar molecule. Since halogen atoms are more electron negative, so it's acquire negative charge, and carbon is less electron negative, so it's acquire positive charge. Now we know that in periodic table fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, it is group 17 elements and also known as halogen. And from we goes to up to from top to bottom in periodic table. When we goes to top to bottom in periodic table, then size increases, electron negativity decreases. You know that na. Since the size of halogen increase as we go down the group in the periodic table, fluorine atom is the smallest, fluorine का size सबसे छोटा है, and iodine atom the largest. Since the carbon halogen bond length also increase, if you go down from, if the size of the halogen atom increase, अगर halogen का size बढ़ेगा तो carbon halogen bond length भी बढ़ती जाती है. So bond length also increase from carbon fluorine to carbon iodine. Some typical bond length, see this example. See this table. In this table, fluorine is attached with carbon and bond length is 139 in picometer. If chlorine is attached, then bond length increase 178 picometer, bromine is attached 193 and iodine 214. Carbon halogen bond enthalpy, you can see that bond enthalpy and value of dipole moment means 1.8, 1.8, 1.8, almost same but constant. So it is our overlook of halogen. Now sorry, I would like to request all of you, please note down all the important thing whatever we learns, so it is better for you next time. please inform me you are not down or not. If you are not down, then please mention it. Okay. Now our next topic is preparation of alkyl halides. Our next topic is preparation of alkyl halides. How we can prepare alkyl halides? So we are first discussing about the preparation of alkyl halide by halogenation of alkane. You can prepare alkyl halide by halogenation of alkane. This reaction you have already know. We have learnt this reaction in our previous classes, 11th class, hydrocarbon. So see this is hydrocarbon, CH4 and X2 means halogen, X2 any halogen which is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. In this reaction we required H nu means light and delta H nu or delta या फिर heat. So this is substitution reaction. One hydrogen, this is our substitution reaction. One hydrogen atom is replaced with हेलोजन एटम, मतलब यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन हटके इसकी जगह एक हेलोजन आ जाएगा, तो ये हमारा फॉर्मेशन होगा CH3X. हियर वन हाइड्रोजन इज लेस, सो हेलोजन एंड HX. So generally we can represent this reaction RH halogen, then H nu, then RX and HX. Preparation, this is our alkyl halide. So mechanism of this reaction mechanism is the reaction proceed through free radical mechanism. The reaction proceed through free radical mechanism involves 3 steps. इसमें 3 steps involve है. We already learned about all of this reaction. First reaction is chain initiation. शुरुआत होगी चेन की. यहाँ पे हेलोजन और हेलोजन जो बॉन्ड है वो यहाँ से ब्रेक होगा. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर एंड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर in the presence of H nu. So here is generation of free radical. This is free radical. Free radical what? When any atom or groups acquire 1 electron, 1 free electron. Next is chain propagation instruction. See this free radical. This free radical react with this methane, and there is formation of one bond between hydrogen and halogen. So HX bond formation, and there is generation of another free radical. Here the generation of another free radical, this okay, and this free radical further react with this halogen, and there is formation of CH3X and then generation of X, and the last step is chain termination, and the last step is chain termination reaction. So what is happening in this reaction? All of the free radical combine with each other. मतलब methyl free radical combine with another methyl free radical and formation of C2H6. This is alkane. Methyl free radical combine with halogen free radical and then formation of CH3X. Okay, and methyl free radical combine with each other. And then formation of X2 halogen. So this is 3 main steps, and you can also see this reaction in your hydrocarbon process. If you want to understand this reaction more, you can see this reaction in your haloalkanes parts, which is here. You can clearly say that substitution reaction, halogenation. Here is example is given here. Then chlorine, H nu, chloroethane. Here mechanism is also written, so you can read it if you have problem in your 11th class NCERT books. Okay, now let's talk about more about this halogenation of alkane. Let's talk about with halogenation of alkanes. In this reactivity of halogen. So in this reaction, fluorine is the most reactive, chlorine less, bromine less, and iodine is the least reactive of this. And reactivity of alkyl halides. If reactivity of hydrogen, yeah, alkyl halide. sorry 3 degree of carbon. So 3 degree alkane is more reactive, 2 degrees less reactive, and 1 degree is less reactive. So there is problem with this reaction. Poly substitution can also be obtained. In this reaction more than one product is formed. There is problem, more than one product is formed. Suppose CH2X2 is also formed, CHX3 formed, CX4 formed. So ब्रोमीन इज मोर सिलेक्टिव वाइल क्लोरीन इज मोर रिएक्टिव. ब्रोमीन यहाँ पर ज़्यादा सिलेक्टिव है. आयोडीनेशन, अगर हम यहाँ पे आयोडीनेशन को रिप्लेस कराना चाहते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिप्लेस आयोडीनेशन, मतलब अगर आप यहाँ पे एक्स की जगह पर आयोडीन का यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, सो इफ़ यू आयोडीनेशन इज रिवर्सिबल इन नेचर, मीन्स फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड बोथ ऑफ डायरेक्शन कैन फेवर. सो इट इज़ कैरिड आउट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्ट्रांगली ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. इफ़ यू डू दिस रिएक्शन विथ iodine, you need to oxidizing agent like HiO3. Without this reaction cannot happens. Okay, so and let's talk about fluorination. If you want to replace hydrogen with fluorine, so it is known as fluorination. Fluorination is explosive, मतलब अगर आप फ्लोरीन को करते हो, सो इट इज़ एक्सप्लोजिव इन नेचर, मतलब वहाँ पे इसको कंट्रोल करना वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. सो हेंस एल्केन्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय कैरिंग आउट द रिएक्शन. सो फ्लोरिनेशन के लिए हम दूसरी रिएक्शन को डिस्कस करेंगे. वी टॉक अबाउट दिस रिएक्शन लेटर. सो आई वांट टू शो सम एग्जांपल्स. ओके, see this. By free radical halogenation reaction, what is the drawback of this reaction? The yield of any one compound is low, means this product is also formed CH3 CH2 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 Cl, means suppose this is butane, this is butane. So if you want to replace hydrogen with chlorine, UV light or heat or H nu, so halogen is replaced with this hydrogen and halogen is replaced with also this hydrogen. So two product is formed here, two product is formed. So and both are present in our reaction mixture. So it is very difficult for us to separate these two product. मतलब ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट बन जाएंगे रिएक्शन मिक्सचर में, और इन दोनों को सेपरेट करना हमारे लिए बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होगा. सो वी कैन नॉट प्रिफर दिस रिएक्शन. एंड सी दिस एग्जाम्पल. Identify all the possible monochloro structural isomer expected to be formed on free radical monochlorine. Monochlorination means what? Monochlorination मतलब आपको एक ही हेलोजन को रिप्लेस करना है, एक ही हेलोजन लगाना है. सी दिस इज अवर एग्जाम्पल. तो हियर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आर फॉर्म. 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. हियर क्लोरीन, यहाँ से ये जो हाइड्रोजन है, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो जाएगा क्लोरीन से. आफ्टर दैट सी दिस सेकंड नंबर कार्बन, ये वाला हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो सकता है क्लोरीन से. थर्ड, सी दिस कार्बन, दिस हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो रिप्लेस विथ दिस क्लोरीन, दिस हाइड्रोजन. CH, this hydrogen also replaced with chlorine. And here CH3, 2 CH3 group attached, CH3, 2 CH3 group. So here both of CH3 groups are in equivalent position. So one hydrogen is replaced with here and one hydrogen is replaced with here. So only one. So there is total 4 product is formed. टोटल 4 प्रोडक्ट, मतलब टोटल 4 प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे. एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस टू सेपरेट ऑल ऑफ दिस 4 प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट प्रिफर दिस रिएक्शन फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्काइल हैलाइड्स. बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर and you have to mug up this reaction and you can identify this reaction. Okay students, so today we are going to end our today's lesson. So whatever you learned, please revise it purchase your books, and if you have any problem then please mention it. We will solve all the problems. Okay, thank you.